output of integrated logic circuits using logic software. Today we are going to discuss grade 8 ICT lesson 5 physical computing, and this is the fifth video related to this lesson. In the previous videos we discussed about three basic logic gates and or not, and also we discuss about logic software and how to build circuits using logic software. So in those videos we discuss the logic gates separately, but in today's video we are going to discuss about combined circuit. It means we are going to develop circuits using integrated logic gates. Before moving to today's video, please subscribe Teacher's channel and also share these videos with your friends. Now we are going to learn integrated logic gates. Here we are going to combine 2, 3, 4 logic gates together and build combined circuits. Right, here in this screen you can see a circuit with two gates, AND gate and OR gate. Right, now let's write the final output of this circuit. So here C equal A dot B because there is a AND gate, then E equal C plus D because it's a OR gate. Then finally we can replace C and D by using AB, right? So we can replace C as A dot B and D will remain. So final output is E equal A dot B plus D. Right, this is the truth table. Here there are three inputs. 3 inputs mean 2 to the power 3, it means 8. Here we need to consider 8 situation. So this is the truth table. So you have to draw this truth table in your notebook, but don't fill the output column. In the next video I'll teach you how to fill this output column by using logic software. So let's fill this input column first. Here there are 3 inputs, so there's a pattern, right? So there are 8 instances. So if you use this pattern, you will never miss up, right? You will never miss up any situation. So in the first one, you have to start with 4 zeros, after that 4 ones. Then 2 zeros, 2 ones, 2 zeros, 2 ones. After that 0 1 0 1 0 1, likewise. You have to follow this pattern, then you can easily fill the input columns. So draw this truth table and leave the output column. Let's fill it in the next video. This is our second example. There are 3 logic gates, 2 AND gates and 1 NOT gate. And mainly there are two inputs, A and B. So let's write down the output. Here C equal A dot B because it's a AND gate. Then D equal B bar because it's a NOT gate. And finally C and D inputs goes through AND gate. So our final output is E equal C dot B, C dot D. It means A dot B dot D bar. Now you have to draw the truth table for this circuit. There are 2 inputs. 2 inputs mean you have to consider 4 situations. This is the truth table. You have to draw this in your notebook but leave the output column. Let's fill it in our next video. This is our third example. There are 3 logic gates. Let's see the final output. X equal A dot B because it's an AND gate. Y equal B bar because it's a NOT gate. Then Q equal AX plus Y. because it's a OR gate. Then we can replace the letters X and Y by using A and B. Then finally Q equal A dot B plus B bar. So you have to draw the truth table. There are two inputs. So you can draw the truth table as in this way and leave the Q column. It means our output column. This is our final example. Here you can see 4 logic gates, 2 NOT gates, 1 AND gate and 1 OR gate. And this is your homework. Please write down the logical expression for given circuit. In the next video, let's build these examples in Logic software. If this video is useful for you, please share this video with your friends. And also don't forget to put a comment below. Let's meet again with a new video.